Hello guys, welcome to the email automation section of email marketing. In this section, I will be discussing about what is email automation, why it is important, and how to do it. In the next video after this, uh, or perhaps in this playlist, if you'll find the video, we'll be talking about MailChimp software, which is email automation software and a free account you can make over there until your 2000 subscribers, your subscriber base reaches 2000, more than 2000 basically. So until 2000, you can send free emails to 2000 subscribers of yours. So it is free, it is easy, and it is a very effective way to do email automation. So let's jump on what is email automation. Email automation, in nutshell, I can say, is a way by which is a modern way of doing email marketing first, and is a way by which you can do effective email marketing, wherein you do not have to think about doing each step manually, because in email automation, a lot of things get automated, right? There are two important benefits of doing email automation or using any email automation software. First is that you have less spam score, wherein your emails get delivered high and they do not end up in the spam folder of the audience. The second is that you can send emails to a large amount of database. So, for example, if you want to send emails to 10,000 people, you want to send emails to 50,000 people in a single go, and by reducing the spam score, or you want that out of 50,000 at least uh, most of the people receive your email. So email automation is the best way to do that. If you do the same thing with Gmail, I think Gmail won't allow you to send email of to these many large number of people, or any other software which is regular other than the email automation software. So these are the two important things which you need to keep in mind while using the email automation. These are the two benefits that you get directly. Now, what is email automation in a nutshell? Say, for example, I am giving you a scenario, and this is something that is related to lead nurturing that I talked in the last video of email marketing. So once somebody has subscribed to your say to your blog, or say if you have an e-commerce account or you're working for an e-commerce company, and somebody has created an account in your on your website, right? Now, what is the next step that you're gonna do? First is that you want to send them a automated email, or a welcome email that I talked about in the last video. How to do that? Email automation is a software by which you can do that. You can send an automated email to all the subscribers that subscribe on your website, or make a login account on your website on a real-time basis. So as the persons create the account, he receives the email on his email ID. So that's how it is automated. So this could be done through email automation software. Second is, so for example, now what you want to do next, you want to send him some promotional emails of the product and services that you give or that you have in offer. So what you will do is that you will go inside your email automation software, and you will attach that person to a particular campaign. Now, what this campaign will do is that say you are sending a weekly email to all the subscribers who you have collected in a week's time, or all the new logins in a week's time, and on every Sunday you are sending emails to those people. So what you will be doing is that you will be sending emails to that set of people. Say, for example, 50 people have made login on your website or registered on your website in a single week. Now on Sunday, what you would wish to do is that you want to send emails to all these 50 people about your products and services, right? What you will do is that you will attach those 50 people in a campaign, and you will create an email that needs to be sent to those people, right? Now, the first step is that you just send a single email to these people, right? And the email is sent to all 50 people. Now, what is step two? And what do you want now to happen? What ideally you would like to have is that people who have opened your email, or who have clicked in your any of the link that you have given on your email, or they have downloaded any stuff that you have provided for free in your email, to send another email. Why? you would like to actually nurture these people in order to make their mind in a way that the interest level for your product and services grows inside their mind. So ideally what you would like to do is that if somebody say there are two types of people in the 50 subscribers, say 30 people have opened and clicked on your email, right? And 20 people haven't clicked or opened your email, right? So there are two set of people over here, right? So over here, if you see in this section, email one is sent, and then there are two set of people. One is people who have opened and clicked your email. Second is who have not opened or clicked your email, right? So ideally, you would like to send them separate type of second email, a separate email or a different email, which will be the second email, right? So the people who have sent you, who have opened or clicked on your first email, you would like to send them another set of email which talks about the product services in a more better manner, right? Or you would like to show them another set of product and services that you have, or you would like them that you would like to give them some promotional offer to say that okay, thanks for looking towards our products and services. Here is a 20% discount code and use it using the Paytm account, anything like that. And the people who have not opened or clicked on your email, you would like to send them another set of email, right, with a different subject line, a more catchy one, so that they tend to like click or open your email in the first go, right? So this is how, and this is all possible with the email automation. So you do not have to segregate manually that who have opened, who have not opened, and then create a different list in the in the email software, and then again do it. All this is done automatically by just putting some filters over here. So for example, if you see in this section, I have taken a picture from Eloqua software, this one, right? And so these are all the segments or the lists that I had of my subscribers, and then I put it inside a filter, right? Filter has no and yes section. So no and yes helps you to actually segregate your subscribers on the basis of the action that they take, right? So now say for example the second email has went out and there are some set of people who have opened the email, and there are some set of people who have not opened the email, right? Then again you can put some logic over there that what should be the next email that has to be sent to these specific set of people. So what you're doing is that in each step you are growing the interest of the people, right? And you are bringing them inside the campaign, or you are generating the interest level step by step. So this is what lead nurturing is. So once somebody has subscribed or registered on your website, the second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step, by which you are just increasing the interest level of that person in on your for your product and services. So this is how you do lead nurturing step by step. Different companies have different ways to do lead nurturing. So this is just depends upon the product and services that the company offers. B2B companies do in a different manner. E-commerce company do it in a very different manner. So in a B2B company, what happens is that a person, if say for example, has clicked on all the three emails that you have sent in a month's time, right? So what he will do is that he will pass on that details of that particular person to the sales guy. Now the sales guy will get in touch with that person and say that, hey, here, here I am from this and this company, and we saw that you have shown interest on our products and services. So if you would like, we can discuss it on a meeting basis, on face-to-face basis. So from marketing, the lead goes to the sales guy in the B2B, and then it is like further push to convert that lead into a customer. So this is how email marketing helps in generating the lead, and then further nurturing the lead down the line to become a customer. The case in e-commerce is different because there you can purchase online directly. So in that case, it is a little more efforts uh, from the marketer side. But again, the objective is, the end objective is to convert more and more leads into your customers who have who purchase it from your business. So all in all, this is the email automation, and I have shown in this blog that what step by step procedure is, right? There are different type of email automation that I mentioned in my last video as well. So there are software from Oracle, so like Eloqua, then there is Pardot from Salesforce. There are some new ones like Marketo, which is quite used in the market. And then there are software as a service like Mailchimp. Perhaps all these softwares are SAS, but Mailchimp is like you can make a free account over there, and until 2,000 subscriber, you can send emails freely to all these set of people. And then perhaps if you have a small business, Mailchimp is the software by which you can send promotion emails. It is cheap as compared to the other software that I mentioned. And then there is constant contact, another one that you can send. But out of constant contact, which is free, and Mailchimp, which is free, I prefer Mailchimp because it has more functionality, it is easier, and it is good for small businesses which have subscriber base or registration rate registration number less than 2,000. So this is email automation all in all. If you want to read more, you can come on my blog and read it further. Maybe you can get more information from other blogs similar, but in nutshell, email automation is this. In one of the videos, I will be discussing MailChimp and how to set an account on that, how to create an email, how to send an email, and how to create a list. All these things I will be covering. So stay tuned and do check my playlist of email marketing for having that information and getting a practical exposure of doing email marketing. See you in the next video, and keep learning and be good.